Alright, welcome. I'm going to be doing some tutorials for you all to try to show you some tips and tricks with the whole Microsoft Office suite. So let's get started. First, we're going to talk about the planner and how to copy a plan. Okay, so you're going to open up your browser. You're going to type in Office 365 in here and hit enter and go through Google search, or if you have a bookmark, Office 365, click it that way, whatever works for you. If you're already logged in, it'll take you straight in. If not, put in your credentials. Once you get to your home screen, if you see it here, go ahead and click Planner. If not, you just click All Apps, and it'll be down here on this list. Once you use it a couple times, it'll pop up on your home list for you. In your checklist for the department, already checklist here, the weekly checklist, you got all your buckets, all that good stuff. You're going to click on this little three-dot ellipsis up here and just hit the copy plan button. Simple as that. Private, name it what you want. So, this is going to be Chris's weekly checklist, which I've already done, and it's over here. So you can see Chris's weekly checklist. Once you've hit the copy plan button and named it and all that stuff, you just hit copy plan. It'll work and it'll notify you down here in the left-hand screen when yours is ready. From there, you'll be able to view it in the mobile app, and you can connect it to a team or just work in the web browser as such. So if you have any questions or any problems with that, let me or an AC know. As well, just remember, anything that gets updated on this one will not update to the copy that you made. Okay? So when you're working on stuff and checking things off, if you get a notification that this one has been updated, then your plan is out of date, and you need to make a new one or just copy that one over. Okay, so to copy a plan over or copy an individual task, you would just click copy task, leave the name. You want to change the plan name to the one you made, and you can put it in whatever bucket you decide, and then you want to click as many things as you can. A lot of times when copying stuff over, it won't let you do other things, so it grays those out. So if there is attachments or labels, you would then need to make those on the one that you copy over. So that's the two ways to do it. If you have any questions or issues, like I said, talk to your AC or me. Thanks, guys. Hope this helps.